Do you want to live in a brand new luxury condo in a brand new luxury building in Jupiter on the ocean? This is your only opportunity. Welcome to Sea Glass. This building is so exclusive and so private, we can't even show you the amenities. But I can tell you, as a beautiful seaside pool, cabana, club room, state-of-the-art fitness center, yoga lawn, climate-controlled garages, and so much more. You're never going to find another luxury condo like this, surrounded by protected parks. You're never going to have a neighbor with a balcony bigger than New York City apartments. If you're one of those people that hates to wait and wants a new luxury condo on the beach in Jupiter right now, this is your only opportunity. Why wait for years for another one to be completed? Call me at 561-346-1881.